A first impression is everything, even when it comes to selling your house. Want to know how to make your house more appealing when selling? Curb Appeal is your ticket to enticing buyers as they drive up to your property for the first time. The way your home looks from the outside sets the expectation and creates suspense for what's on the inside. Maximizing your curb appeal can lay the foundation for a successful showing and eventually a sale. So here's how to improve your home's curb appeal. Now that you know why curb appeal is important, you are probably wondering, how can I improve my home's curb appeal? Before you start to worry about the cost of your exterior upgrades, it's important to know that the easiest way to improve your curb appeal can also be the least expensive. The 3 tips we're about to share with you tend to be very cost effective and offer a great return on your money and time investment. So grab a pen and paper and let's build your curb appeal to-do list together. Tip number 1, how to make the front of your house look nicer. Let's start with what adds the most curb appeal. The first thing you can do to make the front of your house look nicer is giving it a good cleaning. What do we mean by that? Dusting cobwebs, pulling weeds, and power washing windows, siding, and walkways. These tasks may not seem like a big deal, but checking these basic chores off your list will make a huge visual impact once they are all complete. If you notice that your siding or shutters could use some TLC, then now's the time to get it done. Chipping paint and damaged siding are not only a distraction to potential buyers, but they are also an eyesore. If your front door, shutters, or trim could use a fresh coat of paint or stain, stick to a neutral color to create a look that most potential buyers can appreciate. The key to improving the overall image of your home is in the details, so don't skip over the little things, no matter how small. Tip number 2, how to make your front yard look expensive. If you want your front yard to look like $1 million, then let's take a moment to think back to the most expensive looking properties you've ever seen. What is it that makes them look so high class? One thing that golf courses, California mansions, and 5-star hotels all have in common is a perfectly manicured lawn. Mowing the lawn and trimming back bushes and trees will instantly elevate the look of your property. It's easy to underestimate the power of these boring tasks, but once it's done, you'll like what you see, and so will your potential buyers. Tip number 3, how to make your house stand out. By now you might be thinking, sure, all those things are nice, but how can I make my house stand out? Don't worry, we've got you covered. It's time to add in some subtle decoration to create the perfect scene for a showing and hopefully a sale. Have some porch furniture? Dress it up with neutral colored cushions and pillows that create a cozy and cohesive look. How about exterior lighting? Swap out bright yellow bulbs for softer white lights that are easier on the eyes. You'd be surprised at the difference it makes in the overall look of your space. If you want to add a little personality to your home's exterior, bring in some hanging or potted plants for lively pops of color. What color is best for curb appeal? Take a look around your yard and see what colors already exist and complement them by incorporating flowers from the same color family. If you want to introduce a new color to your design, you can't go wrong with white. It goes with everything. Have fun creating a space that buyers will love, and don't forget to enjoy it for yourself before moving day because, after all, it's your house and it's your equity. Looking for more great tips to help you sell? Here at yourhouseyourequity.com, it's our passion to help homeowners like you to sell your house and save your equity. For more great tips on how to prepare your house to sell, watch our free webinar, How to Easily Sell Your House and Keep Your Equity.